Generating 3D models with AI is an exciting journey that combines creativity and technology in ways we never thought possible. Imagine being able to create intricate designs and lifelike objects with just a few clicks. The process begins with understanding the tools available. There are several AI-driven platforms out there, like Blender, Autodesk, and even specialized tools like DAL 3D and Runway ML. Each of these platforms offers unique features that cater to different aspects of 3D modeling. First, let's talk about data. AI thrives on data. To generate a 3D model, you need a dataset that the AI can learn from. This could be anything from images of real-world objects to existing 3D models. The more diverse and high-quality your dataset, the better your AI will perform. For instance, if you want to create a 3D model of a car, you should gather images of cars from various angles, in different lighting conditions, and even in various environments. This helps the AI understand the nuances of the object. Once you have your dataset, you can start training your AI model. This is where the magic happens. Using machine learning algorithms, the AI analyzes the data and begins to understand patterns. It learns how to replicate shapes, textures, and even colors. Depending on the complexity of your model, this process can take anywhere from a few hours to several days. Patience is key here, but the results can be astonishing. After training, it's time to generate your model. Most AI tools allow you to input parameters or prompts that guide the AI in creating the model. For example, you might specify that you want a futuristic vehicle with sleek lines and a metallic finish. The AI will then use its learned knowledge to produce a 3D model that fits your description. This is where the collaboration between human creativity and AI really shines. Once the model is generated, you'll likely want to refine it. AI can create a solid base, but adding your personal touch is crucial. This is where tools like Blender come into play. You can import your AI-generated model and use traditional modeling techniques to tweak details, add textures, or adjust proportions. This step is essential for ensuring that the final product meets your vision. Another fascinating aspect of AI in 3D modeling is the ability to create animations. With the right software, you can take your static model and bring it to life. AI can help automate the rigging process, which is often tedious and time-consuming. By using AI-driven tools, you can quickly set up a skeleton for your model and apply realistic movements, making your creations not just visually appealing, but also dynamic. Lastly, let's not forget about the community. Sharing your AI-generated models can lead to collaboration and feedback that can enhance your skills. Platforms like Sketchfab and ArtStation are great for showcasing your work and connecting with other artists. Engaging with the community can provide inspiration and help you stay updated on the latest trends and techniques in 3D modeling. In conclusion, generating 3D models with AI is a blend of art and science that opens up a world of possibilities. By leveraging the power of AI, you can streamline the modeling process, unleash your creativity, and produce stunning visual content that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. So dive in, experiment, and let your imagination run wild. The future of 3D modeling is here, and it's more accessible than ever.